Ever dreamed of bringing your wildest stories to life on the silver screen? What if I told you that in just minutes, you could go from a spark of imagination to a captivating movie, all with a little help from AI? Stick around and I'll unveil the magic of transforming a simple thought into a cinematic tale using ChatGPT, DALL, and CapCut. Before we dive into this digital storytelling adventure, let's set the stage. If you're excited about crafting your own narrative masterpieces with cutting-edge AI tools, go ahead and hit that like button. It's the secret handshake to our creative club, after all. And to make sure you don't miss a single step in this movie-making journey, subscribe and ring that bell. Your support fuels this channel's creative engine, and together we'll turn the page on what's possible. Ready to roll the opening credits? Let's get started. Today, in the spirit of the season, we're embracing the Yuletide cheer. With Christmas upon us, what better story to tell than the enchanting romance of Mr. and Mrs. Claus? So gather round, my fellow digital dreamers, as we spin a festive love story that will warm hearts even in the chill of the North Pole. Stay tuned, because this is where our story and yours begins. First thing we're going to do is head on over into CapCut.com. If you haven't already, go ahead and log into an account there. It is free to use. And you're going to see over on the left-hand side, we've got Start, Recent Drafts, Share History, Templates, and then we have this button here called Magic Tools. Go ahead and give that a click. At the top, come over to Create with AI. Head down to Script to Video. Now here's where we can put in for a narration script that the AI writer will create. This is in beta, but I found it works actually very well on the creating the scripts here. So let's put in the story of Mr. and Mrs. Claus falling in love in Candyland before moving to the North Pole. Simply hit the blue arrow and you'll see it generates here. I'll leave it up in real time so you can see how quickly it is. Once you've got script 1, you can come down to the arrow down here that says next, and you can see script 2, script 3, script 4, and script 5 will generate a whole new batch of them. So you can do as many scripts as you want to go through before you find the right one for your story. I found the right one, so I'm going to go ahead and select the one that I want. So now that we've got the script that I want to use in here, we're going to go ahead and generate the video. So this button down here, Generate Video, and it gives you a couple of options. You've got Smart Generation or Custom Generation. Smart Generation is going to be where CapCut will generate images that it thinks are suitable for the script. I've used this several times now, and in my opinion, it doesn't do the narration justice at all with the images that they put out. So I'm going to personally put off using that one for a few months until the system gets a little bit better at what it's doing on that. But I do love this custom generation. So I'm going to come over here and do custom generation, because after this step, I'm going to show you how to go into DALL and create the images that you want to use in this in just a matter of minutes. You have to pick the aspect of your video, so you can choose the 16:9 ratio here, which would be like a regular YouTube movie, or you could do the 9:16, which would be like an Instagram reel, or the 1:1, which would be like an animated social media post. You also get to choose the voice that you want the AI character to read your narration in. So for me on this one, I'm going to go with the chill girl. I've had her do a couple of stories, and her voice sounds pretty good with the animated fun stories. You can hear each one of these different AI voices by clicking this headphone here while you're in here, and it will actually read part of your own script. So I'm going to choose Chill Girl, and I'm going to come down here to hit Generate Video. And you can see I'm leaving this up in real time, so you can see how quickly this actually produces the video and pulls it in over to the video editor, where I can add my own images and have a finished product in literally just a couple of minutes. So there we go. It has generated and pulled it over, and you can see all of the different text that the AI will be reading has been pulled over. The background music has been pulled over, and now I just need to pull in the images. All right, so now we're going to hop over into ChatGPT, and I'm going to show you how you can create prompts for your scenes very quickly. So I'm going to use ChatGPT 3.5 to create these prompts. If I wanted to create the images in DALL-E using ChatGPT Plus, I would need to have the premium membership, which I do. So that is actually the system that I'm going to be using to generate the images here in just a minute when I show you. But you could create these images for free using a system like Microsoft Bing Image Creator or Leonardo AI or one of the other generative AI art systems that are out there that offer a free portion of tokens each day or allow you so many images created. So what I'm going to do to get those prompts from ChatGPT 3.5 is come in and I'm going to tell it to act as a high-level DALL-E prompt engineer and write prompts for the 5 scenes of my short narration film. I give it a size. Since I'm doing the 1920 by 1080 pixels, I do have that in here. And then I want to make sure that it understands that both Mr. and Mrs. Claus should be wearing a modern version of the traditional apparel. These scenes should be set in modern times according to the scene and should be created using photorealistic style. You could do that in any style that you wanted. If you wanted this to be in a dreamland or in the Candyland realm itself, you could type that in and it would use its imagination to create those perfect prompts for what you're looking for. But you can see I brought in each of the scenes exactly from CapCut, just copied and pasted it right in so it would know what each scene was. And then I'm just going to hit this arrow here to send the message. And you can see that it is generating back for me what those prompts would be. So all I have to do is copy these prompts over into a Word document, or I can copy them straight from here into the system that I'm going to be using to do the AI art generation. So again, for me, that's going to be DALL-E using the ChatGPT 4 to imagine the images, but that could be any of the platforms that you choose to use. These prompts would work for. Okay, so now that it's created those prompts for us and I have them all ready to paste over into DALL-E, I'm going to come up to the top here where it says ChatGPT 3.5 and I'm going to select 4. And then I'm simply going to paste those scenes into here and I'm going to say to it, imagine these 5 high-quality, detailed images, all sized 1920 by 1080 pixels, and I'm going to hit the send message. You'll see here that it's creating the image now. So I'm going to go ahead and let these create, and then I will be back so we can take a look at them in just a second. Okay, so now that we've got all of our images made from those prompts, we're going to go ahead and upload that media. Right over here on the left-hand side, you'll see that you can just drag your files over. So I've got mine created right here, and I'm just going to go ahead and grab them and pull them on over. And then what we do is match them up. So I've got the first scene here. Okay, so as you can see, we have scene 1 here, and you can expand it to see what it looks like a little bit bigger before you pull it over to make sure it's the right one. You can either just hold down your mouse and drag it over to your timeline like this, or you can, once you have the picture expanded, just hit this plus button there and it will add it to your timeline. And then I'm going to stretch it out to the end of the scene where I need it. And then I'm going to go to scene 2 here. And again, do the same thing, just add it to the timeline. And you can see when I added it, it actually threw it into the front. So an easy way to fix that is just hold down on that frame and move it over to where you need it. And then again, I'm going to expand that out so that it matches with the actual scene that I want it to end up with. And then I'm going to do scene 3 here. And you want to make sure you have your timeline marker here so that it goes in the right spot. And then you can pull that one out to the scene as well. And then we've got scene 4 here to add. We're just going to do the same thing. Move the marker on over, click on scene 4, pull it out until it gets to the right spot, and then add the last scene here and pull that one out. And then technically you have completed your video and you could play it however you wanted to. But I want to fix this background a little bit so that it's more noticeable. So I can come over to where it has text. And you'll see in the back here, it has background. Oh, we have to actually click on the text though. You can come over to background and we can add a background color to that text. So let's go with maybe a red since it's more of a Christmas theme. and then that will apply that to all of our scenes here. So we are all set and the video is ready. So let's go ahead and play that real quick so we can take a look at this finished product.
In the whimsical world of Candyland, where sugar plum trees line peppermint paths, we find ourselves on this adventure back in time. Mr. Claus, a young and jolly toy maker, wandered through, marveling at the sweetness that filled the air. It was here, among the gingerbread cottages, that he first laid eyes on her, a radiant confectioner, crafting treats with a smile that outshone the candy stars. Under a syrupy sky, they shared stories and laughter, finding a mutual love for joy and merriment. Each day, Mr. Claus returned, drawn by the sweet spell she weaved, as they created candy and toys for all the land's delight. In the serene gumdrop glade, amidst the hum of honeybees, Mr. Claus, with a heart brimming with fondness, confessed his love. With the same warmth she poured into her sweets, Mrs. Claus embraced his tender words, and their hearts melded like chocolate in the sun. The land of Candyland burst into celebration as Mr. and Mrs. Claus exchanged vows. Under a marshmallow arch, promising a lifetime of happiness and giving. The candy citizens cheered, for love was the sweetest treat of all. Hand in hand, they ventured forth to the North Pole, where snowflakes danced like sugar dust. Together, they built a wonderland of joy, where every Christmas, the magic of their love would spread across time.
Okay, now that our video is complete, all you have to do to download it and share it wherever it is you want to share it is come up to the export button here, and you can either share it to TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, or Instagram directly from here, or you can do a download. I'm going to go ahead and do a download. And you can see here you have a couple choices on the resolution, you have the quality, and you have the frame rate. And so I'm going to go ahead and just hit this export button. Stick around to see how I used Runway ML and Leonardo AI to upscale and add motion to these images to create a much higher quality content video that could be shared. I came in and used Leonardo AI and Canva's Magic AI tools to clean up some of the images and upscale the backgrounds. If you'd like to know more about using the Leonardo system, be sure you check out the video that I've linked right here. And stay tuned for more videos on how I upscale images to clean them up and make them more usable in my content in future upcoming videos. As always, if there's something you want to learn about, let me know in the comments. Now let's check out the final video with the upscaled images and the animation.
In the whimsical world of Candyland, where sugar plum trees line peppermint paths, we find ourselves on this adventure back in time. Mr. Claus, a young and jolly toy maker, wandered through, marveling at the sweetness that filled the air. It was here, among the gingerbread cottages, that he first laid eyes on her, a radiant confectioner, crafting treats with a smile that outshone the candy stars. Under a syrupy sky, they shared stories and laughter, finding a mutual love for joy and merriment. Each day, Mr. Claus returned, drawn by the sweet spell she weaved, as they created candy and toys for all the land's delight. In the serene gumdrop glade, amidst the hum of honeybees, Mr. Claus, with a heart brimming with fondness, confessed his love. With the same warmth she poured into her sweets, Mrs. Claus embraced his tender words, and their hearts melded like chocolate in the sun. The land of Candyland burst into celebration as Mr. and Mrs. Claus exchanged vows. Under a marshmallow arch, promising a lifetime of happiness and giving. The candy citizens cheered, for love was the sweetest treat of all. Hand in hand, they ventured forth to the North Pole, where snowflakes danced like sugar dust. Together, they built a wonderland of joy, where every Christmas, the magic of their love would spread across time.
There you go. We have the quick video we put together using the CapCut AI script narration tool and DALL images. And then we have the upscaled version where we made the images with Leonardo AI and put the video together with Canva. Let me know in the comments which one was your favorite. Thanks for taking some time with me today to learn this new skill. My name's Jessica with The Real AI Agents. As always, keep looking towards the future.